Hey, what's up? Welcome back on Tech Brothers YouTube channel. Today we will make unboxing and review of new electric toothbrush from Oclean company. I already have the electric toothbrush from Oclean, but this one has a very interesting feature – color touchscreen. It shows weather, day of the week, brushing mode, and other useful information. So let's start the review of Oclean X electric toothbrush. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers. As I already said, I've been using a toothbrush from Oclean for about 1 year. The new Oclean X comes in the same box. It is quite big white box with image of toothbrush on the front side and sticker with barcode on the back. Inside the box you will find the toothbrush. There is only one head in the package, so I recommend you to buy a few heads additionally, so you can change them every 2 or 3 months. Also, I found user manual, charger and USB cable in the box. As you can see, the charger has a removable USB cable. This is because you can use charger as the holder for electric toothbrush. You can place it on the wall in your bathroom. That's a very interesting idea. I have never seen anything like it before. Now let's talk about design of Oclean X electric toothbrush. As you know, all modern electric toothbrushes look similar to each other. All of them have removable head at the top and magnetic charging connector at the bottom. However, the feature of Oclean X is touchscreen. This is 0.96-inch TFT color touchscreen. Also, there is physical button under the screen to power on/off the toothbrush. Oclean X has IPX7 water resistance. It means that you can wash the toothbrush in water and even take shower with it. Yeah, some people like to brush their teeth in the shower, like me. Now I want to tell you about specifications, and then we will look at the screen functions. Oclean X electric toothbrush has a frequency of 40,000 RPM per minute. It is equipped with 800 mAh battery and 5 watt and 1 ampere charging. The charging time is about 2 hours. As for the battery life, the manufacturer promises 30 days in standby time. I received this toothbrush some days ago, so I can't say anything about battery life. In the comments below I will write about real battery life after a month of use. Oclean X uses Bluetooth 4.0 for connection with smartphone. Also, the electric toothbrush is equipped with 6-axis gyroscope to detect brushing motion. Now let's look at screen of toothbrush. Press the physical button to turn on the screen. Here you can see the time, date, day of the week and the image. You can swipe up and down to change the screen. The first screen is brushing mode. Swipe to the left to choose the mode. There are only 3 brushing modes – clean, white and massage. When you choose the mode, you need to press and hold to activate it. The other options are brushing strength, brushing time, about and a zone reminder. When you set up the toothbrush, choose mode, brushing time, etc., you can press on physical button and start the teeth brushing. When the toothbrush works, the screen shows the brushing strength, brushing mode and time left. When you have finished the brushing, the screen will display the score, brushing time and blind zone reminder. It's very simple and convenient. You don't even need a smartphone to choose a brushing mode, brushing time, etc. However, there is an app on smartphone, and let's look at it. The companion app for Oclean X on smartphone is called Oclean. You can download it both on Android and iOS devices. The connection is very simple. Just open the app, click on Add device, choose Oclean X, and it's done. On the main screen of the app you can see the battery level, the score, duration, effect, days of the use and report. Before start brushing the teeth, I recommend you to set up the toothbrush. Go to the tab About Me, then choose My device. Here you can select firmware quick load, guided mode, overpressure protection, synchronized time and device information. If you have firmware update, it is better to install it. In the tab Plans, you can choose the brushing mode, such as standard cleaning, sensitive cleaning, whitening, beginner and many others. Also, you can press on customization and create your own brushing mode. It is a very useful function. By the way, you can tap on Smart Push and find recommendation for this brush for you. You need to choose the gender, birthday, tooth status, using habit, tooth color and get recommendation for this brushing. In general, the app and the app settings are common for all electric toothbrushes from Oclean. Oclean X doesn't have any special functions in the app. So the main feature of Oclean X is touchscreen. It is very nice and useful. Now you don't need the smartphone to choose the brushing mode, to see the brush score, and even find out the weather for today. Another new feature of Oclean X is the charger. Now you can use it as a wall-mounted holder. As for the frequency, battery life, and application on smartphone, they have not changed compared to other toothbrushes from Oclean. Thanks for watching this video. In description I will leave the link where you can buy Oclean X. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.